Once again, good trumps evil, and General Spydrax's plan has been thwarted.
But I'm sure Spydrax will be spinning a new web of deceit before long, Dargon.
Spydrax! Spinning web! I see what you did there, Zack, and I like it! Dragonflower, you ignorant bitch! Heed my telepathic commands!
But you use telepathy? I always just kick mine in the ribs.
Wait, we're being pulled into a tractor beam!
Must be Spydrax weaving a new web.
The time for spider puns is past! Prepare to fight!
Oh, goodness, there was a big one.